it right through there.
Okay, so what about this next one? An app created by a Best Buy executive, Precious Status.
That's right. That's right. So I wanted to really highlight or feature a local developer, a local app company.
We like that.
Yeah. And Precious Status was started by former Best Buy marketing Julie Nurai, and she was frustrated when her husband was in the hospital and couldn't communicate with teachers at school about what was going on with her children. And so she created an app where the school or a camp or a child care facility can update the status one-on-one with what's going on with your child there. And everything's organized really nice, and it's offered in thousands and thousands of daycares and summer camps and different child facilities all across the country.
So maybe rather than texting, because I know my sister with her kids, she'll get a text occasionally from a daycare provider in the school telling, here's what my niece is doing today.
That's right.
But this is different. This can go to all the parents in the class or something.
Yeah, what's really nice about it is you got a complete list or a file of all the activity that's gone on throughout the year. And you can check back, and let's say even for medical records, if your kid has allergies or anything like that, it's all logged in right there. The person just logs up and can see exactly what's the history of what's going on.
I can see how that could be very handy.